Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Tuesday. I'm really tired. I am tired. But I'll wake up as the day kind of starts. Trying to just prepare myself mentally. Got about 1 minute to pre-market open. I don't know if I leave too much time for myself before market opens or too little. I think it's a little too much. Or if it's like the perfect amount. Like I'm basically ready right about a couple minutes before. Alright, here we go. BFRG looks like it's having a bit of a continuation. What the fuck? Dude. God, what the fuck? Why is this not existing anywhere else? The best opportunity doesn't fucking exist anywhere else. NEXR. It's not loading on Thinkorswim or anywhere else. It's very important out in Lyft. That got really close to. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of this one too. Yeah, that's GG. No? Weird, dude. Weird. ARTL. Too early? Also, how did I get filled at third? Okay, bro. Alright, bro. I think this like challenge account is cooked. Yeah, so much for a $50 daily pause, dude. This whole thing has been kind of a waste of time. I couldn't even tell you why I got filled at 13:05. There is just no explanation whatsoever for that to have happened. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. Yeah, it's a pretty good sign to just trade my own capital. So I'm probably gonna do that. Trying to think like, to be completely honest, if I was trading my own capital, I probably would have gotten out as soon as it started popping up and I was down like $40. Probably would have gotten out. Um, because as soon as that happens, when there's an immediate push to the stop loss, I've seen that so many times it hits stop loss, and a lot of time the breakout and push up is just not worth staying in, really. There's always room for re-entry. Like you could always enter again. So it never really makes sense to be in those trades. And also ARTL. When did this news come out? It looks like towards the end of yesterday they got some funding. Not gonna lie, I didn't read the news. Yep. Trying to think what I want to do, like just in general. How the hell did this happen? I don't know. This challenge is cooked though. There's literally no point of continuing. I'm trying to decide if I want to trade my own capital with my old broker or do another eval in the meantime. Because evals could do the 25k eval now that I know what to expect. Yeah, I'm interested to watch this trade back and see what happened. So, thanks to Trade the Pool's daily pause not working properly, which of course, you learn from these things. Like, I didn't, this was never a possibility that could have occurred in my eyes, where price doesn't even reach a level and you get filled there. Uh, I have never seen this before. Um, but because of that, we are now fucked. We are now fucked. Um, bro, what bullshit. I can't help but laugh because we were one trade away. I cannot help but laugh. Yeah, I think like looking at this and I'm thinking about like a lot of my trading losses in the past. It's very easy to like add to positions even if they very clearly won't work in your favor. I'm thinking of just getting out of positions at market if I don't like them because I'm looking for something very, very specific. I want a very specific move to happen. And if it doesn't happen, then just cut. So I think I'll do that. I think it's time to go back to it. I'm tired of all these stupid limitations. Um, yeah. Yeah, I'm really tired of these stupid limitations. ARTL is looking super bullish though, just in general. This is one that would tear me up if I was trading it. Well, I actually don't know. I mean, adding into the spikes and trying to cover lowers, it's always working, but this one, this kind of price action is very bullish. This could have a pretty serious run. Um, and at times it could be good to just wait for the first crack and then short above. Um, Currently hugging the 1 minute mean, which is like this was the long strategy I was talking about, where you're buying kind of the pullbacks to the 1 minute mean and just you risk the break of trend. So you're looking at order for it to touch the mean and then you're just trailing your stop, moving your take profit up, trailing your stop for when the trend breaks. Get pretty good RR. Still outside. Alright guys. Last video for a little bit. I'm gonna wait until, cause I am in the process of opening a brokerage account. I'm waiting a little bit to see Centerpoint. I might test out Centerpoint for a bit. Um, and then I'll probably have Cobra as well. Have those two together. And yeah, I'm hoping I'm hoping the overall market uh what's it called? Looks like ARTL is starting to crack now. So a breakout, break above these highs, if it gets there, is always like a pretty good short in this situation. But I was saying, what was I saying? God, I'm really groggy today. Oh, Cobra and Centerpoint together, I heard are a good combo to have because one of the issues I was running into is like not finding shares. I heard that the like both platforms kind of complement each other nicely. So we'll be doing that. Um, but opening that Centerpoint account, Jesus Christ, my brain. Opening that Centerpoint account I'm doing right now takes a little bit. Anyways, thanks for watching. Expect to see, I honestly might just fund my DAS account again. So expect to see that. One thing I wanted to check. We did start climbing up on futures. And I think I will start checking futures because I noticed that the same thing happened yesterday. If futures are gapping up a strong amount, it's a pretty bad idea to go short. I really like Mask right now for a short. The 155 kind of area. Yeah, it's another good RR play. ARTL was too. The thing about ARTL is I think the news. I think the news, recent news was the problem there. OXBR, for some reason my standard deviation indicator isn't working for this one. It was what I saw on Open too. And then NEXR just wasn't loading for some reason earlier, but I saw this on Open too. Went up to like, went up crazy. 4 to 6. I think those more violent moves up happen when futures open high. I think I'll start keeping an eye on that too. Alright, yeah, sorry. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and peace.